Date palms are grown in arid areas from northern Africa to the Middle East and all the way to India. Date palms are much appreciated for their edible sweet fruit. Most date varieties are consumed fresh and fetch a lower price than processed ones. In Egypt, the Siwi variety is used to make bulk packs of pressed dates that can be stored for a long time. These pressed dates, which locals call agua, are popular as a snack and as an ingredient in baking. Many families rely entirely on the income they generate from producing and selling agua throughout the year, up until the following date harvest.
We only use this date variety to make agua. Actually, this is what it's valued for. It's never sold fresh. It's always harvested from the tree, dried and pressed. We store the agua and sell it at any time, even out of season. Other date varieties cannot be stored, and you might struggle to quickly sell them before they spoil. The variety we use to make pressed dates keeps for the entire year.
Dates have a short harvesting season and must be consumed or processed immediately after harvest. Otherwise, they will spoil and you won't be able to store them. Choose a date variety that is suitable for drying and pressing. This will allow you to sell agua throughout the entire year. When drying, keep dates away from the bare ground and build a protective wall to keep them free from dust. Sort your dates by order of harvest. This will allow you to more easily collect them when they are ready for pressing. Carefully monitor the drying from 1 to 2 weeks. Dates should feel firm and not be juicy or the agua will rot. Maintain high hygienic standards throughout the whole process. Make your pressed dates in a strong, airtight container. Press the dates in small batches to remove air pockets. Store the crates in a dry place, avoiding contact with the ground, and stack them to keep them compacted. For many households, making agua requires hard work and dedication. In return, it also gives a sweet reward at any time of the year.